Thank you for the opportunity to chat again to IBTV. I'm Miguel Forte, currently CEO of Kiji Therapeutics, a company developing stem cells engineered for a therapeutic purpose, gene engineered for a therapeutic purpose, but also chair of the board of directors and president of ISCT currently, and also leadership roles in ARM. So a passionate believer on the value of cell and gene therapy that with delivering to patients and to the society in general, on all the stakeholders involved. This is a significant meeting, a meeting with a lot of commercial presence, academia, a lot of data being presented, but above all, an opportunity to people to get together and discuss. It's an assessment of the status of the fields that we all do together. And I believe that probably the biggest, most important takeaway message is we're in a critical moment that need to address the fields with realism, resilience, and optimism. I think people saw a lot of good things happening, but also heard a lot of signs of alarm that things are tough. Life is tough. Life is difficult, right? So we need to do our job well. But if we have the passion for the value that we're delivering to patients and understanding the work that takes to that, I think we will look at the optimism with this. I said it in the opening that we're in the winter, but I'm looking forward to the spring. Spring will come as long as we manage the winter, we will get to the spring. So the message is that communicate, share, be resilient, and be optimistic. What we're delivering to patients is fantastic. And so we can't fail. One of the things that have been asked several times is, are we seeing any lights of increased investment? I think we're seeing a little bit of increased investment on very early stage, but it's taking time for the decisions, and not everybody is getting access to funds. So I think we need to continue to work hard on that. And I believe next year we're going to go back and say, okay, the good path continues to slowly improve. I think there's also been quite a few discussions on development in technology. I continue to go to the core of what it is cell and gene therapy. It's optimizing a cell for a therapeutic benefit. And then we will have situations where an autologous approach must be like that. Then we will have opportunities to go into allogeneic. A lot of discussions in people. I think that's the maturity of the system. I would go back and say CD19 told us that we can get products approved. Now we need to move on to different cell types, different technologies, tailor the products to the purpose. Science supports the product. The core of the activity is the product, and it is the product going to be used on patients and deliver. I also would like to see next year a reflection again on patient access. I make that a Trojan horse kind of thing about patient access. And why? Because if we focus on patient access, we will make sure that everything that leads to that access is improved. And I'm talking about technological improvements. And if we do that, we're doing two things, which is delivering our mission to bring products to patients, which is why we're here. And in doing so, we'll manage the expectations of the feasibility of the fields, return on investment on the field, commercial success of the products. So it's important to have a simple objective, and the simple objective is patient access. If we then go back, there's a lot of complexity that leads to it, and each one of us will have to tackle one element of that complexity. But at least we're all focused on one clear indicator, which is patient access, return on investment, success of the fields.